to Revti's world. Today I'm going to do a speech about printed books versus ebooks. So let's go and watch it. Think before you speak. Read before you think. Respected principal, judges, teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Today I'm going to speak about printed books versus ebooks. Reading is fundamental. It provides a window to the world around you. I will start by saying that both printed books and ebooks are very different, even though we use it for the same purpose. Ebook stands for electronic books, which is a digital version of manuscripts. It can be read on most mobile devices, tablets, and e-readers. On the other hand, printed books are books that have text, images, and graphics printed on paper using a printer or a typewriter. E-books are eco-friendly and more easily portable unlike printed books, as you can carry a whole library in your pocket. Printed books on the other hand are harder to transport. It uses a lot of paper. Almost 2 million trees are cut down every year to make books. Unlike e-books, printed books are extremely costly and unaffordable. However, printed books cost us no extra like e-book and are better if you read for a long time. Also nice for reading at the night as it helps you fall asleep. But e-books are not good for your eyes, especially if you are reading during the night or in a dark room. Now let's talk about the feel in which we approach printed books and e-books. With no doubt I can say that book in your hand feels the best. The special aroma while opening the cover and the jacket gives a hardcover that gives the best feeling and a better connection. But with e-book, you just need to tap and change. That's the only connection you have with the e-book. Lastly, let's talk about making notes and bookmarking on a book. You can't annotate properly if you are keeping your book in a perfect condition. Write stuff with e-book, and if you need to note down a certain paragraph, you can highlight easily. That's the reason why I prefer e-book, especially Kindle, most of the time when I'm reading. In the end, I like to conclude that e-books are very important, but it can never replace the love and the emotion that a paper book can arouse in us. Now I leave it to you. What do you think is better, printed books or e-books? Thank you.